When comparing Liquid Web and HostPapa for dedicated hosting, you're likely wondering which one will give you the best performance, reliability, and value for your money. Both of these services have their strengths, but also some significant drawbacks you'll want to consider before making your decision. So, stick around, because I'll walk you through everything you need to know to choose the right one for your needs, and I'll be giving you a better alternative at the end. Let's start with Liquid Web. Known for its high-performance hosting solutions, Liquid Web delivers solid uptime and impressive scalability. Their dedicated hosting plans come with a variety of features, including fully managed services, top-tier hardware, and advanced security. They cater to businesses with high traffic or specific hosting needs, making it a go-to for e-commerce sites, agencies, and anyone who needs guaranteed performance. But here's the catch. Liquid Web doesn't come cheap. Their plans are on the higher end, and the pricing might not be ideal for smaller businesses or startups trying to cut costs. It's great for those who need dedicated resources, but not for those on a tight budget. Next, we have HostPapa. While HostPapa isn't as well known as Liquid Web, it offers a solid, budget-friendly solution for dedicated hosting. The company's focus is more on providing reliable service at a lower cost, which can be a great option for individuals or small businesses who want dedicated hosting without breaking the bank. HostPapa's plans come with unmetered bandwidth, strong customer support, and an easy-to-use control panel, making it a solid entry-level choice. However, HostPapa has its weaknesses. While the service is reliable, the performance can sometimes be a step behind more premium providers like Liquid Web. You won't get the same level of customization or power, and their security features aren't as robust either, especially when compared to higher-tier hosts. The third thing to consider is customer support. Both companies have solid reputations here, but Liquid Web stands out for its high-touch, 24/7 support. You get access to a team of experts who manage your server, troubleshoot issues, and provide proactive assistance. HostPapa, while generally good, has a more standard support system, which may leave you waiting longer for a resolution. The fourth thing is server performance. Liquid Web's dedicated hosting plans come with some of the best hardware in the business, including SSD storage, which drastically improves load times and overall speed. HostPapa, on the other hand, uses HDD in some of its plans, which can lead to slower performance. In terms of raw speed, Liquid Web holds the upper hand, especially for high-demand applications. The fifth thing you need to think about is scalability. Liquid Web shines here, allowing you to easily upgrade your resources as your website or business grows. This flexibility can be critical if you anticipate significant traffic spikes. HostPapa, while decent, doesn't offer quite the same scalability and might leave you feeling limited as your business expands. The last thing worth mentioning is pricing. Liquid Web is clearly the more expensive option, and while it offers great features, its cost might make it inaccessible to those with tighter budgets. HostPapa, on the other hand, is more affordable, but this comes at the expense of some performance and feature depth. Depending on your priorities, you'll have to weigh the cost against the features you need. In conclusion, both Liquid Web and HostPapa offer solid dedicated hosting solutions, but the choice ultimately depends on your budget and your specific needs. Liquid Web is the better choice for those who need high performance, top-tier support, and scalability, but it comes at a premium price. HostPapa is great for those on a budget who still want reliable service, but keep in mind that you might have to compromise on performance. However, after trying both of these myself, if you want an even better alternative for dedicated hosting, one that offers a free trial with exclusive benefits, then check out the link in the description. By using our link, you'll get the best free trial and additional perks not available elsewhere. Don't miss out on this better solution that I've personally tested and recommend for anyone serious about dedicated hosting.